I'm well into the chemo now. Well, okay, so I'm still in phase 1, and there's 4 phases, but I'm at the end of phase 1, which also means that I'll be going back in next week, the 27th, and I'll be in there for another week, and then I'll be out, and I'll feel okay for a day or 2, and then I'll be sick again for 4 or 5 days, and then I'll feel better again, which is where I'm at right now. I just got past the sick point. Hair did fall out. That was kind of fun. Sat in front of a trash can and started pulling hair out. Decided to go ahead and buzz it after that. And the reason I was pulling it out is because it itches. Oh my God, your scalp just like goes nuts. Lost the beard. No more fur on the chin there. Still got the mustache, but every now and then I catch a stray hair in my mouth, and I'm pretty sure it's falling out too. So we'll see where it goes. I'm trying to take it in stride as lightly as possible. Keep a smile on my face, which I am smiling underneath the mask, but now that's also a thing. So anyway, what I'm doing here today is I got a new toy, and I wanted to share it with y'all. And this is a Arbortech ball gouge. So I live in Kansas City, Missouri, so those of you who aren't aware, and Kansas City has a woodworking show every year, and Arbortech shows up, and they have all their little things out there. The Arbortech Industrial, which this was the first one that I bought of their tools. Of course, I think it was the first one they came out with, but anyway, bought it. 3 carbide teeth. This thing is awesome. It's super safe compared to the ones with the chainsaw teeth around them. Next, I bought, actually as a set, I bought both of these. This is the Arbortech turbo plane, and then this is the mini plane. And this one's actually kind of fun because it screws on there like that also. And so I do a lot of shaping with this, more detailed shaping. And this one, in the tiny house build, when I got the walnut out to do the floor joists for the loft, I decided to give them like a rough planed look, like somebody had used a, what's it called? I got one up there on the shelf too. Scrub plane. And this leaves a really similar surface. It's got just real light scallops, and so I did all of the joists with that to get the sawmill marks out of them, and then yeah, that was kind of fun. I like the look of it. But this is a whole new ball game here. This little dude, it doesn't cut like these other ones at all. These discs are a whole lot different. And by the way, when you're using these on a grinder, the guard is absolutely necessary. But when you're just using these, it's not so much, because it's not doing any good anyway. So when I'm using these tools, I take that off and get it out of the way, because it will get in your way. So let me pull this little piece of wood over here and show you how this thing cuts. It is pretty slick. So on the tool here, the black rounded portion here and back here on the back side of it is like your it's like the raker on a chainsaw, damn it. I can't think of it. Anyway, this sets the depth of cut. So right now, I think I better get that tightened up. There we go. And then this big chunk of shiny here is a sharp all the way around cutter, and it's solid. I mean, it goes like the bolt goes through the middle of it, and there's a little bit of a sleeve on this piece here that sticks through, but that's it. That's a solid piece of steel. So it actually would be sharpenable. I have to think about that, but anyway, it cuts nice, it cuts fast, but it doesn't like a lot of pressure. If you put too much pressure, then it wants to go the way you don't want it to go. Do I plug in? Okay. So I need to hold that still better, or find a piece that will hold still better. Here, hold on a second. I got a different piece of wood. One that's got some flat on it. Okay. Here's a different piece of walnut, long and flat, so this should work a little better. Also helps by turning speed up. So you can dig right in with it like that, make little pockets, which I think would be great for eye holes on certain carvings. But you can also do like and there you have like the scalloped look that I can also get with this guy. That's pretty slick. So yeah, this is a neat little tool. I've already used it on some of the carvings that I had here that I wanted to finish up. In fact, let me pull one of them over here and show you something I was able to do with it. So this was like a 20-minute mushroom, and I drew lines down it in a spiral, and then fluted it out with the ball gouge. I did a little bit of work with this, and then used a sander to come in behind it, the sander on the drill, right there. And yeah, they made a lot quicker work of it though to have that bulk out of there. So that was pretty fun. So anyway, Arbortech gave me a bunch of other free stuff when I was there, like a pencil. So this is not a sponsored video, but it was kind of funny that they actually gave me a T-shirt. You know, that was neat, because I guess they don't give away T-shirts on every purchase, but I told them how many different Arbortech tools I had in there, and then I had a YouTube channel, and they were like, hey, yeah, we'll give you a T-shirt. Great. So I'm actually wearing the T-shirt, but it's underneath this thicker shirt because it's cold in here. And I don't like being cold, especially not when I'm fighting cancer. So anyway, just wanted to show you that little guy, and hopefully you'll see it in some future videos. I'll make sure and point it out if I do use it in future videos. As I get more and more used to it, it's more and more likely that I will. So I got a lot of carvings going that I'm trying to finish up right now, and so I'm getting a lot of practice with it right now because it's great for a lot of things. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I guess wish me luck. I'm going to head back in next Monday. So, alright, have a good one. We'll see you next time.